The support for PDC-S, S2 and PDC-lite, Lite 2 is no longer available. Komori recommends replacing the system with the latest spectral color control system, KOMORI-Color Plus. KOMORI-Color Plus reduces the changeover time and waste paper by controlling the color at startup time with the smart feedback function linked to KHS-AI. In addition, PC will be renewed and the touch panel will be updated from 15-inch to 19-inch as well as compliant with Japan Color, FOGRA G7 standard printing certification. The software has been updated with new features but its usage is almost the same as before, so it can be used smoothly. Please consider a planned replacement. For more information, please contact Komori Service.